Have you ever wondered about the legal implications of taking something small without paying, perhaps an item you might consider minor, or found yourself in a situation where you or someone you know faced an accusation of shoplifting? It might seem like a small act, but the legal system views theft very seriously, regardless of the value of the item. Petty theft, often referred to as shoplifting, generally refers to the unauthorized taking of property that has a relatively low monetary value. It is typically classified as a misdemeanor, which means it carries less severe penalties than a felony, but it is still a criminal offense that can lead to significant consequences. The exact penalties for petty theft can vary widely depending on several crucial factors. The most significant factor is the monetary value of the stolen item, with each state setting its own specific threshold for what constitutes petty theft versus grand theft. For instance, in some states, stealing something valued under $1,000 might be petty theft, while in others, that threshold could be much lower, such as $300 or even less. Another key factor is your criminal history. If you have prior convictions, especially for theft-related offenses, the penalties for a new petty theft charge can be much more severe, potentially even elevating it to a felony in some jurisdictions. The specific circumstances of the theft, such as whether force was used or if the property was taken from a person directly, can also influence the charges and the resulting penalties. Understanding these variables is the first step, and if you find yourself facing such a charge, the next step is to understand the specific laws in your state or local jurisdiction. These laws can differ significantly, so what applies in one city may not apply in another. After understanding the local specifics, it is always wise to contact a qualified legal professional. They can help you navigate the complexities of the legal system, explain your rights, and work towards the best possible outcome for your situation. In legal discussions about theft, you will often hear terms like restitution, which is the act of compensating the victim for their losses, effectively paying back the value of the item or any damages incurred. You might also encounter the concept of expungement, which refers to a process where a criminal record can potentially be sealed or erased after a certain period, making it less accessible to the public. Additionally, community service, fines, probation, or even a short jail sentence are all common penalties that can be imposed. Considering all these elements, it is clear that even charges for seemingly minor offenses like petty theft requiring serious attention. A conviction can result in a criminal record, which can impact future employment, housing, and educational opportunities. Understanding the factors that influence penalties and the importance of seeking timely legal advice can help you protect your rights and navigate the legal process more effectively, ensuring the best possible resolution for your circumstances.